everyone, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the tutorial video of how to download Banner Bank application on your mobile phone. So if you are willing to download Banner Bank on your mobile phone but don't know how to, then this video is for you. Watch till the end to know how to download it. So in order to download Banner Bank, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Play Store application on your mobile phone. And when you are inside the Play Store, in the search box, type in Banner Bank. And in the search result, as you can see, the Banner Bank is not available on our region. This is not available in our region, so I'm just gonna show you how you can download the same application if it is available in your region. So for example, I'm selecting this particular application and here click on the install button in order to download. The installation process may take some time. Once the installation process is done, you can easily click on open and launch it. The same process applies for the Banner Bank application too. If the Banner Bank application is available in your region, you can do the same thing I did in the video. Hope this video is helpful for you. If so, then please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.